This is my 1989 Ford Festiva all-electric vehicle conversion from a totally gas-operated vehicle to run strictly off electricity and battery power. I'm going to do a walk around of the vehicle. Right now I have the rear hatch and the motor front hood open. I'm going to do a slow walk around. As you can see, we're walking past the very back where the battery box, radio, and 4 onboard chargers, 110 volt chargers, 2 at 20 amp, 2 at 25 amp. Here's the gas tank, and within the gas tank there is no more fuel tank. All that's there now is an electrical cord for charging the battery, which you plug into a 20 gauge extension cord, and it takes about 6 to 8 hours to charge up the 12 batteries that are currently on the vehicle. As you can see, here's the inside of the vehicle. A couple of Walmart seat covers, very comfortable. Got the battery box in the back with the radio and the onboard chargers. There is no back seat. That was made to fit the battery boxes. As you can see, here is the driver's side seat and the passenger seat. Down here, you've got the vacuum pump for the vacuum brakes. You've got the onboard controller. You've got the onboard controller fan, speed regulator, e-meter box. E-meter box is right here, which tells you how much voltage you have. Right now I just got back from about a 15-mile drive, so I've got about half my power back, about 60% of my power still. As you can see, there's still a 4-speed transmission. Walk around the vehicle. As you can see under the hood, there's 3 of the 12 batteries. The 13th battery is a 12-volt sealed auxiliary battery, which is used for the headlights, the windshield wipers, radio, and things of that sort. Over here you have the vacuum pump brakes. All you need to do is fill it with brake fluid, turn on the vacuum pump inside, and there's no longer any power brakes. Everything is vacuum. As you see, you've got all your main wiring going from each battery terminal to each battery terminal, which feeds into the car and feeds to the very rear where the rear battery box is. The entire car has been repainted as of this week. Some body work was done. There are a few spots that still need to be addressed, such as this rust here at the bottom of this door and around this rear wheel. Same thing on the driver's side. A little piece of sheet metal should be able to handle that. Here's a view from the passenger side on the inside of the vehicle. As you can see, there's 3 switches. There's your controller, your auxiliary charger, your controller fans, and your emergency lamp that will launch you about 1,000 feet if needed. You've got your main battery power shut off down here. Coming back around the rear of the vehicle, if I open the battery box, there are 9 6-volt lead-acid batteries, 3, 6, and 9. As you can see, all the voltage wiring going from each battery. As stated before, there are 12 onboard batteries and 1 12-volt auxiliary battery. Back here, you have 4 onboard chargers. They're 110 volt chargers. That extension cord that I showed you out of the gas tank feeds 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 2 on the left are 20 amp chargers. The 2 on the right are 25 amp chargers. All you do is plug in the electric vehicle, set the battery type, set the amperage that you want it to charge at, and walk away. In 6 to 8 hours you will have a fully powered battery pack. This is one of 3 clips. The second clip, I'm actually going to take you on a test drive of the vehicle to show you that it is a fully operational electric vehicle. It can keep up with traffic. And the third video, I'm going to show you how to actually charge the car. And that is the end of clip 1.